Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to do marketing of welding and fabrication business on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads. So let's take an example that you are a welding and fabrication business owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your welding and fabrication business advertisement, and with those ads you are getting lots of leads on daily basis, but you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your welding and fabrication business brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your welding and fabrication business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And in this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page name ABC Welding Solution. This is the Facebook lead ad form, that is welding brochure form. And this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the email address, full name and WhatsApp number of the customer. Here I have saved the ABC Welding Solution brochure into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this Facebook lead ad form, automatically the welding solution brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with a message. So let us just fill this form. I'll give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. Let us give his WhatsApp number over here. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number. And here we can see a new message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Welding Solution. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our welding and fabrication business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, ABC Welding Solution. So a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check what is there inside this link. And here I can find ABC Welding Solution brochure is shared with the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled the Facebook lead ad form over here, and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the business brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ad forms in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ad form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook's lead ad form, automatically the same data will be used and your welding and fabrication business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type PABBLY, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Send Welding and Fabrication Business Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and click on Create. Here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your welding and fabrication business brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead, click on connect, click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we are running on this particular page to capture the leads. So I have created the Facebook page named ABC Welding Solution. So we have to select this particular page. And this is the lead generation form, that is welding brochure form. So we have to select this particular form also. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and here in the page we have to select ABC Welding Solution. And here we can find the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created a single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Okay. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first we have to go to this lead generation form and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customer. Just because after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is going to capture the recent response. So let us go to the form. This is the welding brochure form and let us fill the details of the customer. That is the email address of the customer shikhaarya25@gmail.com. I'll give the full name of the customer, that is Shikha Arya. And here in the phone number field, I have to give the WhatsApp number of the customer. Unless the customer fills the WhatsApp number, the messages will not be going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here the customer has to fill the WhatsApp number. So let us give the number over here. Click on Next, Submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see that the details that we have filled in the form, name Shikha Arya, her email address and her WhatsApp number is captured over here. Now we want to send the brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So let us just come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, we have to select Send Template Message. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So let us go to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find Generate API Key option. Click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain is required. Let us read the instructions for domain also. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we are going to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on Save. As I have already created a connection, I'll just click on this Select Existing Connection option and I'll click on Save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only the template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Simply click on this, and here we can find several templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on Add Template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type, and here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Click on Preview and Submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved, that is Send Brochure Final Template, this one. So here I have given some numbers in the template. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. For example, hello, here we want the name of the customer. So the customer name will be changing every time. Let us read the template now. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our building and fabrication business. We can type that also. Link, here you can give your brochure link or your online flyer link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here your website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here your business name is going to come. So here I want to give you one important information, that whenever you send this message to WhatsApp number of the customer, the link whatever you're sending on the WhatsApp number will not be clickable. The customer will not be able to access that link. To make that link clickable, the customer needs to save your contact number in his contact list. That is the reason we have given the specific note over here that please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. This is the message for the customers, so that whenever they save your contact number in their contact list, the link will always be clickable and they will be able to access your brochures. Okay, so let us select this template, Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll simply close this template and let's go to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to select the template name, Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything now. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have to map the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So we have already got the customer details from the Facebook lead ad form. This was the full name of the customer and this was the WhatsApp number. So we are going to map these details now. So let us map the mobile number, that is the WhatsApp number of the customer, from Facebook lead ads, and this was the WhatsApp number. Now here also an important instruction is mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. An example is also given. +91 is mentioned. So here we can see that +91 is already added to the number. If the country code is missing, you have to add the country code in front of the number, because without the country code the messages will not be going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template, I'll just open the template once again. Okay, so here in the template, hello, we want the name of the customer. So let us just map the customer name over here from Facebook lead ads, and the customer name was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in, here your business name is going to come. So you have created the Facebook page name, that is ABC Welding Solution. So you have to give the same name over there in Pabbly Connect, that is your business name. Now body field 3, example software, here in the template. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our welding and fabrication business. So let us type the same over here in body field 3, welding and fabrication business. Now body field 4, here we can see a link is required. So in the template also we can see a link is required. So I have uploaded the ABC Welding Solution brochure in my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here we can find get link option. So we have to simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Now body fields, here you can give your website address, or else I'll just go to the Facebook page, and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the same URL over here. Okay. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here in the template also, thank you, regards, here your business name is going to come once again. So we have to give the business name here in body field 6 also. So the business name was ABC Welding Solution. We are going to give the same name over here. And now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received. So let us go to the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see the customer has received a new message. Hello Shikha Arya. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Welding Solution. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed over here. Now important things to note are the body fields and their values. So this was the first value of the body field, that is the name of the customer, Shikha Arya. The second value we have given was ABC Welding Solution, name of your business. Third we have given was welding and fabrication business. Fourth we have given was the link of your brochure. Fifth we have given was the website address. And sixth value we have given was the business name once again. So here in this message we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find the welding solution brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we can see that the correct message along with the correct brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let us go to Pabbly Connect and let us just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create another test lead on the name of some another customer. So here I have given the email address of the customer heather123@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Heather Khan and I have given his WhatsApp number. Now let us click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Heather Khan. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Welding Solution. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this customer also, that is Mr. Heather Khan. Now let us check this link also. And here we can see ABC Welding Solution brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct message along with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, Don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your welding and fabrication business brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. In this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.